the first time I'm playing a cop, and that was also one of the things that was exciting for me, to be able to be in a cool uniform and hold a gun.
But he's come in a different location. He has come from Mumbai to Sikkim, so everything is new for him. In India, I wanted that bracelet always. Bracelet on Ganu, actually more than being invisible, I want to be visible. And the people are even better. People of Sikkim are even better than the Sikkim, the visual which you see.
Hello everyone. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Arundhati.
Hello. I watched the trailer of The Last Hour and it is so intriguing. Oh my God. Like
Thank
really.
you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
This is so interesting. And all of the characters, these three characters, firstly, I mean, of course, I'm going to talk about each of the characters and the story, the way it progressed, whatever you guys can give us the insight of. Of course, I understand it's a thriller. But Shahana, this is the first time I think you are playing a cop. Like, never have I ever seen you in this kind of avatar. And I'm like, oh my God, this was a real surprise.
Yes, yeah, it is the first time I'm playing a cop, and that was also one of the things that was exciting for me, to be able to be in a cool uniform and hold a gun. So maza hai, it was great to be able to do it, and also to play, like Sanjay keeps saying that, to play real people, not a super cop, we're playing real human beings who happen to be cops, but the way the characters are written, they are real, they're vulnerable, they have their normal life moments. They're not always playing heroes in situations. So that had its own charm because there was something authentic about it.
Yes. And Sanjay's character, if you're talking about vulnerability, I mean, there's this dialogue in which he's actually saying that, agar matlab office ko pata lag jayega ki I am taking the help of this fellow to resolve a murder mystery, then wo log mujhe, investigation se hata denge. I'm like, oh my God, this fellow is like, in real jazz, huh?
So that's what it is. Basically, jaise abhi Shahana ne kaha, this is because this proves that he's not a super cop. This is his profession. He is cop, but he's come in a different location. He has come from Mumbai to Sikkim, so everything is new for him. So that's the reason he is saying this. He is taking help from this person who has this supernatural power that he feels that he can, with his help, solve this murder mystery. So this shows him that he is vulnerable. He is human. He is no super cop के वो आया है मुंबई से बंदूक निकालेगा और सबको एक सेकंड में पकड़ लेगा. So that's the kind of show this is. It's very real. It's very authentic. So this dialogue actually is just not about Aru. It is about the show. Okay? All the characters in the show are very, very real, very authentic. जब आप ये show देखोगे तो ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि ये कोई dialogue बोल रहे हैं. जब हम बात भी कर रहे हैं, and Amit has made sure that we have never said any line with the extra stress on any word. Like the way we are talking to you right now, जब हम dialogue भी बोल रहे हैं, even if we as actors sometimes when we hear about a dramatic word, we tend to make it a little more dramatic than it. But when you are saying something which is a dramatic word, you don't have to say it in a dramatic way. The situation, the word is dramatic. But as actors, you do get carried away, and this is where Amit's great sense of acting is also, where he has made all of us talk in a very realistic manner. So that's the reason when he's saying this line also, he's just saying it very matter of fact.
When you got to know the story, how was it for you? And what was the most interesting part of it?
I think intriguing. It was a very intriguing read. The first time I read the script for that matter, not just the character but the entire script. When I read it for the first time, we finished it in one go, despite the fact that it was a very, very thick Bible. There were a lot of pages on it, but it was a very good read, very smooth read, and I think that's what comes across. I think in the way we do it, in the way we have all performed our characters, that there is a smoothness with which it's written, and that's what we are trying to project.
It doesn't show, this character doesn't show what happens to your life after you die. It shows what happens to your life 1 hour before you die. What happened in your life in that 1 hour before you die. That's the power he has. It is not a power that he knows कि क्या होता है जब आप मर जाते हो. आपके मरने के जो 1 घंटा पहले वो क्या है? He has the power to go back in time to see exactly what happens. कि ये इस स्टेज में जो पहुंचा, ये 1 घंटा पहले इसकी लाइफ में क्या हुआ, कैसे ये
जैसे अभी Sanjay and Shahana were talking about Sanjay and Shahana were talking about the reality of their own characters also. Similarly with this character, despite the fact that you have we can call it a superpower, despite the fact that he has the ability to do that, there is also a very strong grounding on the reality of being just a person also with similar insecurities, with similar desires, and that is the aspect that grounds it. So it's not somebody who has a power and can do whatever he wants. So it has a foundation to it. It's based on the larger reality of what that person is, with the insecurities and the fact that he jostles between trying to fulfill a certain responsibility and also giving into a desire that he has. So there's a very interesting play with that also.
We are talking about superpower. This is for 3 of you. Like, what is that one superpower you guys wish you guys have it? Like, what is that one superpower?
I've always wanted to be invisible.
You took mine, yeah.
Huh?
Nothing. I was about to say that.
Yeah.
Being,
Actually, अभी ये शारा ने बोल दिया, जब से हमने since the time we made Mr. India, so I wanted that bracelet always के वो bracelet on करूँ. Actually, more than being invisible, I want to be visible. But I want to own a bracelet के जो मैं जैसे ये watch है ऐसे कर दूँ तो invisible जाऊँ. So according to my चलो मौका वारदात देखते हुए, I want that bracelet. I want that superpower.
I want to change it to teleporting.
Okay.
In Corona times, teleporting is necessary.
Yes, teleport or
ऐसे करके wherever I want to go.
Yeah. Karma has already got so much superpower. What more can he want? One moment is in Sikkim, other moment is in Mumbai.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's not as simplistic like the way he's putting it, but yeah, something like that, yeah.
But Sikkim is such a cool place, yeah.
Yeah, Sikkim is beautiful. And the people are even better. The people of Sikkim is even better than the Sikkim, the visuals which you see.
Yeah.
How was your experience like? And when you guys shot the show, was it last year or before that? Like, if you
we shot it about a year and a half back. It was extremely cold. It was freezing to death. I would only say that it was bloody cold, and we were wearing all these jackets and all. It doesn't end there because we shot for 90 days in extreme cold, and then with the same costume we had to shoot in Mumbai in extreme heat, wearing the same clothes.
Yeah.
So I don't know which part was more difficult. Actually, if I had a choice, I would shoot the Mumbai portion in Sikkim.
Yeah.
Because ठंड को आप अपने आप को गर्म रख सकते हो, but जब गर्मी होती है, and when you shoot in a real locations where there are no air conditioning, it's not like a studio that we shot in with air conditioning and everything. It was an extreme difficult wearing all those clothes, and we can't even afford to have a sweat coming because it's supposed to be the indoor in Sikkim. So that also we had to still look very fresh because in Sikkim you don't sweat at all because it's so cold. So you're wearing all these clothes, and I could feel sometime in the scene that a sweat is dribbling down like this. So so that was shooting in those extreme heat, wearing those warm jackets, sweater, were extreme conditions to shoot in.
Guys, this thing of like, whether it's Sanjay, whether it's Shahana and Karma also, like, this is that time, right? Where, we watched Shahana in Bombay Begum, which was like fantastic. Oh my God. Like, yeah. So I'm saying, and Sanjay ko, like, like Dilbar was one thing that was like there back then. But after that, like in last 5, but in in last 5 years, the way we have watched you in different characters, this is so fab, right? I would like to know it from all of you that, you know, how you guys actually found a new space in this new, you know, format of storytelling in web series, this web digital space.
Sanjay.
Okay. See, for me, obviously, I've been around the longest over here. It's been a long journey with up and down. But yes, it changed a lot for me, rightfully, the way you said it, the last 5-6 years. OTT coming has given actors who are going through this transition period where they are no longer young enough to play the typical heroes or old enough to play characters or something, where in movies you don't get the right role where you can showcase your talent. And OTT has come at a time for a lot of actors, like all of us, where we can showcase our talent. We can still, you know, we have people like Amit who backs talent rather than stardom, and who believes these actors have got the talent enough to pull up Arup or pull up Dev's role or pull up Lipika's role. So we have directors who are there, and we have platforms like Amazon who invest so much money and everything to give us this opportunity. So it's a beautiful time for actors to be in. And yes, it's been great for me thanks to these beautiful these platforms. But they are standing by their conviction, but not trying to please everybody. The time of pleasing, which films we used to do at one time, is over. You go with your conviction. This is it. Either you like it or dislike it. We are not going to. We are not here to please. We are here for storytelling.
Become more central, and I think it allows for all kinds of, as specifically for actors, if you're saying, then it has allowed for people to really prove or come into the space by virtue of merit. And because there is so much content, I think the focus, you know, you can't have 5 people doing all the shows, you know. So there is a kind of it kind of evens out the playing field. And now what is being looked at is who can sustain the character, who can sustain the narrative. And then you have the team of the writers, the technicians, the showrunners, the platforms, Amazon, and you know, they are the ones who give it the backing it needs to allow for it to be authentic in every sense. And that authenticity means picking people who are right for the part.
Karma, what do you think about it?
I think Sanjay and Shana have articulated it completely correctly. I don't think there's anything much I can add on top of that. I think it's correct. Everything that they've said makes a lot of sense. We'll wait and see what happens. Right? There's a lot of talk, but it has to translate into action. So let's see what happens.
No, I'm sure, and I also hope that actors like you, we get to watch more of you on screen. Like, you know, after this show, after the release of this show, I think you should get the deserving visibility that you know every actor should get. So wish you all the best for that.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the interview.